Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to discuss about 5 days working culture in government sectors as well as PSUs and what is the demand for 5 days working and how will it impact. So friends, recently mainly I will concern to banking sector first. So recently IBA meeting took place, that's a banking associations meeting took place, and they proposed for salary hike as well as 5 days working in a week for banking sector. So friends, for now after 2015 I think RBI, RDI, NABARD and some other institutions already have 5 days working culture in a week. So friends, normal banking or PSUs like SBI, UBI and some other banks are providing their government employees or their PSU employees 1 day off a week, means there is 6 days working days. So friends, except second and fourth Saturday, they don't get any leave or they don't give any working off. So the association or the banking employees are demanding to close or holiday for all Saturdays. So the 5 days working culture may be introduced. So the proposal by IB has been raised to the table of the authority, but it's not proven yet. So friends, we can see recently the 5 days working culture in government departments as well as in banking sectors. So it's yet to see. And another proposal is also, or another rumors are also coming, that the government may give 3 days leave or 3 days 4 days working for a week, and you can get 3 days off, like as far as I know, that if Thursday is off, then Saturday is off, then Tuesday is off, like this, or Saturday off, Sunday off and Thursday off, and you have to work only 4 days a week. So the working hour will surely increase, like you are seeing here 7 to 8 hours by now. If the working hour is 6 days, so it can increase to 10 to 12 hours, and for 4 days. And also the salary will also increase, the hike will also, you get hike in salary, and thus every working culture will be changed. So it's only rumors for now. So uh, if any further update comes, I will get you know. By for now, and IB has proposed for 5 days working, but the apex authority has not confirmed it, and it's highly chance that they will provide 5 days working facilities for government employees or the banking or the PSU employees too. So it's only up to the apex bank, and what comes as result, yet to see.